In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website fit all screens. First, open your website in the Wix editor so you can see exactly what you are working with. If you want your site to display properly across different screen sizes, one of the most important things to watch is the vertical grid lines inside the editor. These lines act as a safe boundary for your main content. Keep all vital information, like text, logos, and buttons, inside the grid lines. This helps ensure that your most important content stays visible on nearly all browser sizes and doesn't get cut off on narrower screens. Next, let's talk about backgrounds and layout structure. If you want full-width sections that still behave well across different resolutions, use strips and columns. Strips are especially useful because they automatically adapt to varying screen sizes, so they work like responsive containers. To add one, click Add Elements, choose Strip, and drag it onto your page. Once it's in place, click the strip, select the stretch option, and turn Full Width Stretch on. This allows the strip to expand across the entire screen while keeping your important content safely aligned inside the grid area. After that, add columns inside the strip to organize your content naturally. This is a simple way to separate elements cleanly, such as placing an image on one side and text on the other. It gives your layout more structure and usually makes it easier for the design to adapt across screens. If you are using galleries, make sure they are stretched to full width as well. That way, your images scale more smoothly instead of cropping awkwardly or looking uneven on different displays. Now move to mobile optimization. Wix creates a mobile-friendly version of your site automatically. But in most cases, it still needs manual adjustments to look polished. Click the mobile phone icon at the top of the editor to switch to the separate mobile view. From there, carefully resize large text blocks, reposition any elements that overlap, and stack content vertically where needed so everything feels clean and readable on smaller screens. If your mobile layout feels crowded, use the eye icon to hide non-essential decorations or heavier widgets that may slow down performance. The good news is that changes you make in the mobile editor won't break your desktop version, so you can refine the mobile experience safely. Before you publish, take a moment to review everything and make sure your formatting translates smoothly across real-world screen sizes. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.